Thanks for joining me for this tool tips video. Strap in and enjoy. So today we are looking at a leather strap cutter. This one is made by Tandy Leather. It is a wooden pull tool designed for cutting strips and straps. It has an adjustable set of arms, which is adjustable for both the width of the strap that you need and the thickness of leather. There is a large retention screw on the top of the tool, which locks it into place when you've got your thickness and width. The thing I really like about this version of this tool is the metal guards over the top of the blade, as the blade can protrude out of the arms. First thing I'm going to do is replace the blade, because this was a rusty old blade. So just a simple screwdriver in and unscrew. This screw also acts as the retention for the blade within the arms. Safely get rid of your old blade. And when it comes to installing this blade, it's as simple as loosening off the retentions and sliding the blade in with the edge pointing towards you, towards the lines. The lines on here are done in millimeters and inches. Take extra care when fitting the blade. It can be quite a tight fit and it is a very sharp blade. What I like to do is, once I've got one side in, I will put the guard back on and tighten it down. And then push from the back of the guard to avoid any accidental slippages with the blade coming out, and it is then retained in the top arm as well. I'm going to use a screwdriver here just to fit it into the second arm. As you can see, if you push too hard, it will slide out the back, which can be dangerous, which is why these guards come in very useful. Tighten it up, holds the blade into place. The next thing we want to do is adjust the spacing between the arms, which is for the thickness of the leather that you're going to be using. I like to use a scrap or just the side of the leather you're going to be cutting from. So here we can see, place it in, squeeze the arms together and adjust down. You don't want it to clamp it, you want it to just be loose of that so it can move freely, and the other side should be the same width. I'm going to do a 1-inch strap, so I'm going to hold the arms in place with my left hand, lined up against the body of the handle, and then use the screw at the top to fasten this and secure this into place. Place the leather against the flat of the handle, feeding it through the arms. And we want to be pulling this. We don't want to be pushing the leather through it, we want to be pulling the tool down it. And you'll see there's a little notch cut out here, so just take extra care to guide the leather past that, and from there you can pull the tool towards you. And there you have your strap. With this particular tool, you can set it up to 4 inches, which is what I needed for a project. So I'm going to cut this full strip at the full 4 inches. It takes a little bit more effort just because of the angle. Take it past the notch. I'm going to hold the leather and pull the tool towards us, ensuring that the leather below the cutting edge stays nice and flush against the handle, and it will just start to cut. This is a very old dry piece of veg tan, as you can see by the back. This tool is not recommended for softer leathers, although you can use it. Just take extra care as they tend to stretch. When you get to the bottom of the leather, make sure you brace at the top, and you're going to want to apply pressure so the leather is against the top part of the handle. There we have the leather strip and strap cutter.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.